Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Sorry about the wind noise, but there's bad weather coming into North Carolina, and I made this in a hurry today, but did a pretty decent job on it. My cross members here I misjudged, and I had it blocked, so I had to cut them out, and that generator fits in there pretty tight. And then I've got my Sump pump, which is this, on top, and I've got cross bracing all the way around because that Sump pump's pretty heavy. Now this flooring is not attached to that board. I can take that flooring out because when I'm pulling this in or out, I need to have flooring out because it's so awkward and heavy, and I need to be able to grab it from the back. So, but everything is screwed and glued, and I've got a complete floor in them, and that's just going to give me so much more room just by doing that. And what I'm going to do up here on top, I'm going to make a little removable tray because I'll need to be able to get to the back of this. And the tray will have all my automotive stuff in there, like brake fluid, carburetor cleaner, stuff like that. Any type of motor stuff like oils for my chainsaw and all that'll be kept up there in one general area. And that way I can look and know where it's at and see what I've got. And but I'm right happy with that. I didn't, these 2x4s came from my cousins. I didn't have any more because, you know, I've been on a building frenzy. And I was going to have this where I could put the that lazy Susan type shelving unit I made, but I can bring it right here and store it right there and still have plenty of room in the rest of the shop where it won't affect me. And but I'm getting it slowly but surely, and I'm kind of tired today as I've been rocking and rolling on this, and I don't have the top tray even started yet. I've kind of got in my mind how I want to do it, and how get some support on it, and cause it's going to carry a little bit of weight, so it'll work. I'll make it work somehow. But there you have it. It's another day in the shop building yet more shelves, and I'm getting kind of dangerous. I found 2 sets of casters, 4 wheels each, so who knows, there may be more shelves on the horizon. But I'm getting it organized anyway, and getting everything centered. Let me show you what else I've done. This is that new table I made for the toolbox shelving, and those are sockets and all that I'm going through on the floor. I'm cleaning them up and organizing them according to metric and the different ones, and I'm going through this stuff too. Yes, already a mess, but I'm going through it. But I've done this on my wall over here because a lot of times I need one area, and this is just a good area, and I've redone a stool that was going to be trash. It just needed to be reupholstered, so I got it, and I had some cloth in the shop for whatever reason. I don't know why I got that cloth, but I reupholstered the stool that way I can sit here and work on my jewelry and whatever other kind of crazy stuff I've got on. Yep, that's my lunch. I ate some canned peaches. But got it coming together. And I got some more of these things in my other building, and they'll be coming around here too. And where I'll have all my stuff kind of centralized, and I'm getting there. It's just taking a while, but got to make this thing work and make it where I can streamline projects in and out of here. I could tell I did better on that other set of shelves because I had more room to work and I knew where everything was at, and it was so much easier. But thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.